Effect of high-pressure carbon dioxide on the forming process in polystyrene. By Salah El-Enizi. This paper examines the effect of high-pressure carbon dioxide on the forming process in polystyrene near the glass transition temperature. The forming was studied using a cylindrical high-pressure view cell with 2 optical windows. The chemical structure of polymers greatly impacts CO2 solubility and diffusivity. The CO2 philic groups such as carbonyl or ether groups in the backbone or on-side chains of a polymer interact with CO2 and help with the dissolution of CO2 within the polymer. This technique has potential applications in the shape forming of polymers at lower temperatures, dye impregnation and polystyrene forming. 3 sets of experiments were carried out at operating temperatures of 50, 70 and 100 degrees Celsius each over a range of pressures from 24 to 120 bar. Forming was not observed when the polymer was initially at conditions below Tg but was observed above Tg. The nucleation appeared to occur randomly, leading to subsequent bubble growth from these sites, with a maximum radius of 0.02 to 0.83 mm. 3 models were applied to the forming experimental data. Bubbles appeared in all the experiments without exception. The nucleation appeared to occur randomly, leading to subsequent bubble growth from these sites. With time, more bubbles nucleate and grow, and the bubbles initially appear to be circular. Model C was applied to assess whether a varying viscosity and diffusivity model with the WLF equation. The model shows very good agreement by using realistic parameter values. The expansion occurs by diffusion of a dissolved gas from the supersaturated polymer envelope into the bubble. Many theories have been proposed for the nucleation radial growth of a single bubble in an infinite expanse of melt. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel for watch more scientific research videos.